Greetings. This is your brother, your big brother, Elder Blacklight, addressing all my brothers and sisters, not only in Detroit, not only in the United States, but all over the planet, if it gets that far. Had to wait till that dog stopped selling wolf tickets. But you see, this is a book by the Honorable Elijah Muhammad called Mother's Plane. I want you to observe something right quick. Over my shoulder, check this out. Now, this report is to Detroit, but for everyone. A reenactment or a rendition of the mothership or the mother's plane, inspired by Master Farad Muhammad, for the lost found nation of Islam here in the wilderness of North America. The Honorable Elijah Muhammad says that the original man is a Muslim, born Muslim by nature. But the Caucasian can be made Muslim by faith or belief. But he's not naturally a Muslim by nature, due to the fact that Yaqub grafted him out of the original Asiatic black man. Knowing this, knowing the Caucasian, by the Caucasian knowing this, he knows that he's only got 6,000 years and his time is up. The seventh day in Genesis, it says God made man in 6 days. In the seventh day he rested. That's talking about Yaqub. Yaqub is considered a god. All scientists who have the knowledge on how to use power and force, or experimenting on how to use power and force, is considered God. All prophets is considered scientists and a God. Those two words are equal to each other, scientists and God. But the word God means, according to the teachings of the Honorable Elijah Muhammad, the possessor of power and force. The Honorable Elijah Muhammad says that Allah came in the person of Master Farad Muhammad. Master Farad Muhammad has knowledge. So in other words, I don't have enough time to make a long story short. I had a telephone call that I got to deal with. But to my subscribers, hit me up on my email. And because what they're doing is they cutting off my comment section. They don't want the truth to get out to you the way I say it. And so hit me up on my email and tell your brothers and sisters about it. And I'm gonna come back with a part 3 to go into detail. So right now we're gonna go out with the mother plane. I just want the Caucasians to know that if you get crazy, we got the mother plane.